Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. And this video is on crypto, and it's on how you guys can sign up for Trust Wallet. So sign up for Trust Wallet means how you guys can create yourself a Trust Wallet account. So for those people who do not know Trust Wallet, basically Trust Wallet is a wallet where you guys can store your crypto. If you guys know normal wallet where you guys can store your money, Trust Wallet is a digital crypto wallet where you guys can store your crypto in it. All right. So let me show you guys how you guys can sign up for it using your iPhone. So you can download Trust Wallet on your app store on your iPhone, and it looks just like this over here where it says trust. So basically after downloading Trust Wallet, the next step is to open it. Now before moving forward from over here, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys, and let's get right into the video. After you do that, you want to open the app. After opening the app, click on create a new wallet. Once you click on create a new wallet, you want to click on I understand and click on continue. It's basically you're saying I understand the terms and service of the wallet and other stuff. After you do that, as you guys can see, there's like a 12-digit recovery phrase shown over here. Now what you want to do is you need to save those random words in a secret place. Don't share it with anybody, because in order you lose your Trust Wallet, basically the only way to log in is through these 12-digit recovery phrase. When you lose your wallet and you try to recover it, it's going to ask you for this 12-digit recovery phrase, and you need to enter these recovery phrase, then only you can log in into your account. So if you lose these word over here, then basically you can't re-log in into your Trust Wallet. Just keep that in mind. Save this in a secure place, and after you do that, you just click on continue over here. So let me do that real quick. Now after you do that, basically it's gonna ask you to verify if it is your account or not by choosing the recovery phrase. Now you need to choose the recovery phrase according to the arrangement it was shown into you before this. All right, so I'm gonna arrange this and click on continue. You also do that. Now I'm not gonna show you due to security reason. You just need to arrange it like this. So let's say my first word is no over here, so I'm gonna click on no. My second word is water over here, so I'm gonna click on water over here real quick. Now just like this, you need to choose the word according to the number it was given to you. After do that, click and continue. All right, so I'll see you guys after this step. And as you guys can see, my wallet was created. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create yourself a Trust Wallet. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future iPhone related videos just like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and peace out.